to compute present value using Excel file. So we have here the given problem as a sample problem for us to be guided. So an investment will pay $100 at the end of each of the next 3 years, $200 at the end of the year 4, $300 at the end of the year 5, $500 at the end of the 6th year. If other investment of equal risk earn 8% annually, what is its present value is future value. So first, I will show you the formula that I will be using. So we have here present value equals cash flow for the year 1 over 1 plus rate raised to number of year. Then we have then add the cash flow for the year 2 over 1 plus rate raised to number of year, and so on and so forth until 6th year. So this formula came from here, the formula for individual cash flow. So we have present value equals cash flow over 1 plus r raised to n. It was also equals here, cash flow multiplied by 1 over 1 plus rate raised to number of year. So first, so I prefer using this one. So I'm using this one, this formula. So first, we have here the rate, 8% annually. The given rate is 8% annually. And for the year 1 cash flow, we have 100. Also for the second year and third year, we have $100. Then for the fourth year, we have $200. For the fifth year, we have $300. And for the sixth year, we have $500. So to compute the PV factor, this is the PV factor. So we have first to compute this one. In computing with Excel, we have to put equal sign as sign for the formula. So we have 1 over 1 plus r r is the rate, so this is the r, the 8%. So we have this B3, this one, the blue one. So we have here B3 raised to the year. So we have this, the red one. So we've got 0.92593. So we just have to drag this down for the easiest way. So we have here 0.92592,593. So for the next year, same formula as the first year. So for the second year, we have 0.857338882. Third year, 0.79383224. And for the fourth year, we have 0.73502985. And for the fifth year, we have 0.68058832. And for the last year, we have 0.63016963. So to compute the present value and the cash flow, present value cash flow, we have to multiply the cash flow and the PV factor. So we just have to put equal sign, then click the cash flow and the equivalent PV factor. Use asterisk as multiplication sign. So this one, like that. So we have 92.59, same as we've done same as we have done a while ago. We have to drag this down like this one. So for the first year, we got $92.59. For the second year, we have $85.73. And for the third year, $79.38. And for the fourth year, we have $147.01. And for the fifth year, we have $204.17. And for the sixth year, we have $315.08. So for the sum of all of those, you just have to click the auto sum and you will got the sum. We have $923.98. So for the easiest way of getting the present value cash flow, this is a shortcut. So we just have to put equal sign, then PV as a sign of present value, then click the rate, B, I put dollar sign, so all of them when I drag down got 8% as a rate. So the rate is 8%, then number per year we have here, comma, then the first year, then the payment will be 0 since we are computing cash flow each year, since the cash flow is different, the future value is different, so you have to put 0. Then the future value, so we have here the 100. Then we've got 92.59, same as here, but this one is negative. Since our future value is positive, we've got negative answer. If we make this negative, we will have positive answer. So you just have to drag this down again, and the sum of the answer. So same as here, we have $92.59, $85.73, $79.38, $147.01, $204.17, and $315.08. And the sum of all is the same as here. So we've got $923.98. So that's all for the present value cash flow. So next, we will move on to the future value. So for the next computation, we have here the same problem as the present value. So now we are going to compute the future value of the same problem. So here is the formula that we are going to use. Future value minus cash flow 1 multiplied by 1 plus rate raised to total number of years minus number of years plus cash flow multiplied by 1 plus rate raised to total number of years minus year. So we have here the annual rate, which is again 8%, and for the year 1 we have $100, the same as the second and third year. So for the fourth year we have $200, for the fifth year we have $300, for the sixth year we have $500. So now first let us compute factor. So this is the factor, so equals parentheses open 1 plus rate. Our rate is B3, so I'll put again dollar sign to lock this up, so B3, then raised to 6 since it was 6 years, then minus A6, A6. So our future value factor for the year 1, we have 1.4693288. So we're going to drag this down so we could have the second year and sixth year. So for the second year we have 1.36048896, 1.259712 for third year, 1.1664 for fourth year, and 1.08 for fifth year, and the last one is 1 for the sixth year. So to get the future value cash flow, we have to multiply the cash flow And the future value, asterisk for the sign of multiplication. So we have now 146.93. So jot this down. So we have now 136.05 for the second year, 125.97 for the third year, 233.28 for the fourth year, 324 for the fifth year, and $500 for the sixth year. So we have to sum this up. Click auto sum. Then we have $1,466.23 for the sum. So the easiest way or the shortcut for future value cash flow, we have to put equal sign, then FV for future value, open parentheses, then click the rate, B, $3 for the lock, then the number per year. So the number of year should be 6 since we have 6th year, then minus 1. So yung 1 is the A6. Then for the payment, we also put 0 because we compute each cash flow, and the last one is the present value, which is the 100. So close the parenthesis, then we have 146.93. So it was the same as here. So we got the same result from the shortcut and from this. So again, it is a negative since we have positive in the present value. We will get negative here for the future value result. So to sum this up, again, auto sum, then enter, we have 1,466.23. So the same as here. So that's all. Thank you, and I hope you understand.